Welcome friends, in this video we are going to get information on United Nations Climate Change Conference. In this video, these terms are used and there is a distinction between these terms. So you should be able to distinguish between these terms. That's why I have given these terms initially so that you can understand the information in proper way. The United Nations Climate Change Conference is held every year as per the framework of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC, since 1995. UNFCCC was created in the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which is also known as the Rio Summit or the Earth Summit 1992, which was held in 1992 in the Rio de Janeiro city of the Brazil. In 1992, countries joined the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC, as a framework for international cooperation to combat climate change by limiting average global temperature increase, that is global warming. The parties to the convention are meeting yearly from 1995 in the Conference of the Parties, that is COP, which is known as the United Nations Conference on Climate Change. In 1997, the Kyoto Protocol was adopted by countries. The Kyoto Protocol entered into force from 2005. All countries which are parties to the Kyoto Protocol are represented at the Conference of the Parties, serving as the meeting of the parties to the Kyoto Protocol. The first meeting of parties to the Kyoto Protocol, that is CMP1, was held in Montreal in Canada in December 2005. In conjunction with the 11th session of the Conference of the Parties, that is COP11. Since then, COP and CMP meetings are being held in every year in United Nations Climate Change Conference. Thus, the United Nations Climate Change Conference serves as the formal meeting of the UNFCCC parties, that is Conference to the Parties COP and Conference meeting of the parties to the Kyoto Protocol, that is CMP. The Paris Agreement entered into force on 4th November 2016. The first session of the Conference of the Parties, serving as the meeting of the parties to the Paris Agreement, that is CMA1, will take place in Marrakech in conjunction with COP22 and CMP12. Thus, the Marrakech Climate Change Conference, which is scheduled to take place from 7th November 2016 in Marrakech city of Morocco will serve as the formal meeting of the COP22, CMP12 and CMA1. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the information, please share it on YouTube and on other social websites or on other social sites.